For the last 4 years, me and a team of 11 people, we were developing a startup, a SaaS product, helping influencers and businesses to collaborate, find each other, evaluate partnerships, etc. And for the last 2 months, we've been completely rewriting it with the help of Claude Code, AI development tool. And all of a sudden, things that used to take months and months now can be done in days. And I'm not exaggerating. And I don't want this video to be another AI generated BS from all these influencers trying to hype on Claude Code. No, I'm gonna just share my own experience building a startup for a few years and now completely switching the whole team, management, engineers, designers, everyone's switching to Claude in a real environment of a startup that's been around for years. But first, there's a very important thing. If you're thinking of going this pathway and start vibe coding something, there's a very important rule. There's only one rule, and it's very important. You never share any information with a professional engineer, professional coder. The moment you will tell any of these people that you thinking of or even started vibe coding, the amount of harassment and humiliation that you will experience is unheard. Seriously, I don't know why my whole feed in Twitter, threads, everywhere, people are mocking vibe coders. And maybe not now, maybe not with your experience, which could be a zero. Eventually, you will have a product that you would be able to sell. These engineers would also have a product that they are able to sell. But the time difference and the value that you can bring is incomparable. It almost looks like, punk rockers versus rappers situation somewhere in mid 2000 when I was young. Anyway, this video is to inspire you to start doing it. No matter what your experience is. Listen, my wife over the weekend started to vibe code our personal finances because everyone does their finances different, and she had like an Excel spreadsheet for years, and now she wants this to be a website that is more convenient because there are a lot of things she cannot do in the spreadsheet. So my wife has like zero experience in coding whatsoever, and she started doing this. So my point is probably anyone can start, and everyone should start, in my opinion, because the future is pretty scary. There's no music anymore. It's all could be done with few clicks with AI. A lot of different niches go somewhere where we don't even know they will end up. So you don't want to miss this. I'm not hyping. I'm the one who missed the whole crypto hype and not really, sad about it, but this one is different. So just to inspire you what you can do having little to no experience in coding. This is a dashboard that I've been able to build, and these are all mock data. This is not real information about our users, so don't worry about that. But this is the amount of work that should have taken months and months and months. And I mind you that if I would have asked my team to build something like this from scratch using no AI, it would have taken 4 months, at least 4 months. Now it took me two weekends to build. This is mind-blowing. And as you can see, you can analyze data, put some charts, graphs, put together some tables, etc. You also can build the whole support ticketing system where your users add tickets, you reply to them for whatever issues. You can see the whole database of users. There's a sidebar with all of the information about the user, what social media account they added. Like, this is not just a table or whatever. It's a comprehensive admin panel. You have referral program, who invited who, and I repeat, these are all like mock data, so don't worry about that. You can see the whole thing. Like, it took me one prompt to make this a system where I see the all activity of the user, who registered, who logged in, who added social media account, who deleted the social media account. And it's interesting because I never had a proper admin panel for all these 4 years, and I cannot tell you how exhausting it is to put together some data for your investors. It usually was a manual work, and you would ask why not to build something like this. I will tell you, because you have a limited resources of your engineers. You can obviously not build it yourself, and if I asked my engineers to do that, not only would have taken like a lot of time, but all that time they wouldn't be able to build something for our users, which is way more important. But still, having no a business data to analyze and make proper necessary decisions is something that was slowing us down tremendously. So now I'm really happy that not only I have that, but I myself can work with this and develop it. And since this is a weekend, I'll have a really quick vibe coding session with you guys. And as you can see, you can build not only complex systems, but also a beautiful landing pages for it. So if you next time you're building something, don't worry about have another marketing team doing a good website for it. Any SEO job and agencies are pretty much useless to us because there are so comprehensive agents that can do SEO for your website and marketing. They can do A/B testing for you. You're not even, managing it. It'll do the best it can for you. You can give a Claude Code access to your Google Ads account and Meta Ads account, and it will run ads for your business, for your startup. But here you can see that it generated a pretty cool website for in this case for our creators, because we have two sides of our customers. There are creators and there are businesses. For creators, for some reason it wrote something weird: collabs, blogger, simple and profitable. It doesn't sound right, so let's change that. What I'm gonna do, I'll try to look as dumb as possible. So I'm doing a screenshot, and I'll say like this: one, I copy it, then I go to my Z, which is an app, an editor. Basically, it's an app where regular engineers write their code. It's a development tool. And I would just copy and paste an image here. You can see in the left corner, it pasted image. And I'll say collabs for influencers, simple and profitable. Pay attention that I do not explain to Claude that the influencers word should be in this rectangle. And just simple where it is says blogger, put a word influencer. No, I'm just saying that change the text to. By the way, if you're not native speaker, English is not your first language, as it isn't mine, you can talk to Claude in your own language. I talk to it in Ukrainian, explaining it the best I can, and it does awesome job. So let's see. I just put a screenshot and said change text to collab for influencers, simple and profitable. Enter. This is a little sign that says that it's started thinking, and now we just need to wait. And what I'm suggesting everyone who's starting vibe coding, not only wait or go make a coffee, try to read as best as you can and read and understand what it does. Now you can see it's only thinking, and it's trying to get all the context. It searches for that spot in the code where it needs to change this text. But my point is, try to understand how it works, because it gives you a necessary information to be more efficient with talking to it. Now you see these red lines means that it deleted these red 3 lines, and green lines means that they added instead. So it said collabs, blogger, and now it changed it collabs for, and influencers it would put where the bloggers were. In this case, it looks like it will do exactly what I needed. And now it runs the build. So anytime you change something, you need to run the build so it will basically save it and apply it to your website. Whenever the build is done, we can refresh the page and see the changes. As you can see, it took 1 minute 22 seconds to build it, and then at the end it makes some sort of a conclusion what it did during this little ticket that you worked on. Now I can go to a website and press Ctrl+Shift+R to update it, and here you go, collabs for influencers, simple and profitable. And just like that, I just gave it a screenshot and said change the text. It's the most simple task, and any engineer looking at this will probably say that I will do it faster, I will find this thing in a code way faster. Exactly, I'm very happy for you, and you do that. But this is just as an example how you can interact. This is not a whole like manual how to start vibe coding. I might as well make a video like this too if you need this. But in this regards, I just want to inspire guys to finally start building things that you were thinking of for a while. It's not as hard to even set up everything. It just takes you to set up a building environment, right? Which is your editor. In this case, it's a ZAD, or you can even download a Windows Claude or Apple Claude app for your computer. And in this app, I'll show you the app. This is a Claude app for Windows, and you have a code here. You select the project that you're working on, and you can use even their native app as an editor, as an environment to build. This might have been a very massive video, but again and again, try it and you'll be amazed of how much you can build. Hopefully it was useful. Let me know if you have any questions. This is my passion. This is what I spend a lot of time now. This is what I know 10,000 times better now that I knew a month ago, just because how exciting it is. You learn so much and you are getting better in it. So go ahead, do the same thing.